Hi dear friends, today I will show you how to withdraw Binance crypto into PayPal 2024. First go to the website boomchange.com. Enter the pairs USDT TRC20 to PayPal. Then enter the amount you would like to cash out and click on the exchange button. On the next page for the first section, enter your PayPal account address. And for the second section, any contact email from you and press continue. On this page, please carefully check all the details you just entered, agree with our terms of use and click on the confirm button. Then copy the USDT TRC20 address. Go into your Binance account. Funding or spot wallet. Enter withdraw USDT. Then paste the address you just copied. Choose the network Tron TRC20. Enter the amount you should send and press withdraw. Please note that there might be some network fees for Binance transactions, so you should send the exact amount as you mentioned on the first step of your transaction. After confirming and sending your cryptos to the address of BoomChange, get back to the website and click on the button I have paid. Please note that all transactions usually last from 10 to 60 minutes, but sometimes they may last a bit longer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.